everyday treats. You know I'm whipping up the flour, yeah, I'm whipping up the gas, whipping up everything, my food not trash. Hey, they call me Chef Steak, cooking the beef. They call me Chef Steak, cooking the treats.
Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel, Party Foods by Chef Stay. And today, guys, I am making a delicious dinner. I'm going to make the best shrimp lo mein with an overload of fresh veggies and a spicy sauce. That's right, guys. This meal is so delicious, it's going to knock your socks off. I can't wait till you guys try it. Okay, so come on in my kitchen, guys. Come on into my kitchen so we can get started with all the ingredients you're going to need to make yours in your kitchen. Okay, so let's get started. We have shrimp, deveined and clean. We have a yellow onion, carrots, bok choy, red peppers, snow peas, sesame oil, soy sauce, oyster sauce, chili sauce. Okay, we have brown sugar that's going to make the sauce, help to make this, enhance the sauce, I say. We have the Lomein noodles, the egg white, minced garlic. We use that as well. Did I say the red pepper? Yes. And we have mushrooms. Okay, guys. So now it's time to cut up all the vegetables, as you can see. I have the mushrooms diced up, the green peppers, the bok choy, the onions. Everything is sauteed and cut up so we can put in the meal. Now with our shrimp, we coat our shrimp with a little bit of cornstarch. And we add olive oil to saute it, to give it a little crunch. You could place your parsley on your shrimp just to give it color. And as we sauteed all the vegetables together with a little olive oil, as you can see, I'm stirring. And I'm mixing all the ingredients all up together. Okay, guys, look closely. And you could put garlic. I didn't tell you, just add a little garlic or onion season, whatever season of your choice, and black pepper. Because this meal is so good, you don't have to use a lot of the pepper. And as you can see in the back, look closely at all the vegetables as I steamed them. It's so delicious. Now check out the shrimp, guys. They got a little coating on it and it has such a great flavor. Okay, so I'm going to incorporate the shrimp into our lo mein. But first we have to focus on sauteing the lo mein and getting all the vegetables cooked down. Now, if you can see, I made my sauce. And now we're going to incorporate the lo mein noodles. And I know I should have used a better utensil than that. But okay, we're going to make it work. Okay, guys? We're going to make it work. Yes, indeedy. So as you can see, I'm placing the noodles into the vegetables, the delicious veggies. And at the back, you can see my sauce is ready for me to pour on the noodles and my shrimp is ready. This meal is so quick for you guys to make. I'm telling you, and it's so delicious. It's so delicious, okay? And it's a great meal, you know, when you're on the go. And you can pack it up for lunch for the next day. So now we're going to add our sauce. As you can see, I had incorporated soy sauce, hot chili garlic sauce, the oyster sauce, the brown sauce, and the sesame seed sauce into one container, and you mix it up. Now I'm pouring the sauce over my noodles. As you can see, this is so delicious. Yes, indeed, it's so delicious. And if you don't want it spicy, you don't have to make it spicy. Guys, you could omit whatever you don't like, but I'm telling you, you will like everything that's in this dish. It's so healthy. It's delicious. It is just so good because the noodles are egg white only. Okay, so make sure you get the lo mein egg noodles with the egg white only. Okay, so now I'm just sauteing it and I'm going to incorporate my delicious shrimp. Yum, yum, yum. Come closely, guys. Look at my shrimp. They are so delicious. Come on in. Come on into my kitchen. Look at that. Oh, my God. Oh, woo, Jesus. So good. It smells so good. I wish you guys were here. We got smell-o-vision. I wish you guys stick your nose to the computer and just smell this delicious all these delicious flavors, all these bold colors, just the way you should like your food. Beautiful, bold colors with a delicious flavor to go with it. Now I need to marinate a little more of my sauce to cover the shrimp up. As you can see, I'm pouring the sauce again. And voila, guys, look at the final results. Look at that delicious shrimp lo mein, guys. Guys, tell your friends, tell your family, subscribe to my channel. I'm making it what? I am making it happen for you guys. I really am making it happen. Tell your friends, tell your family, subscribe. Try my new recipes, guys. Leave me a message. Tell me how you like it, how it turned out, guys. Don't leave me hanging. And thank you so much for all my new subscribers. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you. I'm going to be uploading more recipes coming soon. Sorry for my recording. I've been experiencing a little difficulty with my recording, but I had to put some content out there for you guys so you guys can see, what I'm cooking in my kitchen at Party Foods by Chef Stay. I've been cooking a lot of things for parties, and it's just been so great just to be able to be back in my kitchen doing what I like. So again, thank you, guys. Tell your friends, tell your family. So join Party Foods by Chef Stay. Okay, guys, I'll see you guys next time. And don't forget to leave me a message. Don't forget to make this dish. And don't forget to tell your friends and your family to check in and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.